Hi everybody. Despite cancer research with trillions of dollars, the number of deaths increase each year. Now we are more than 650,000 people who died from cancer, almost 10 million over the world. I will try today to give you all my recipes I use to stay free of diabetes and free of cancer, of course. If I had the chance to know what I know today, I would never have developed diabetes or cancer. First, the mind, the brain directs the reaction of our body, so let's always be positive. The second ruler of our body is our microbiome, which is why our diet is extremely important. But the mind is also stressed. With the cancer, we have stress, which by increasing cortisol leads to an increase in insulin. So, how to prevent the increase in insulin is by eating once a day, OMAD, and not stacking all day. Every time we eat, our insulin spikes. So, what to eat? First, crucifers, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprout, but also garlic, onion, leeks, and all preferably raw or in a salad. Every time we cook our food, we destroy all essential nutrients. Professor Richard Belliveau gives us the list of the most effective vegetable against cancer. He did it in Petri box and he saw this way which one kill cancer cells and which one not. You want proof why wild animals hardly ever get cancer, while pets and animals in zoo often do. The only difference is the food we give them and possibly also the stress for captive animals in cage. When I met Professor Thomas Seyfried, Boston College, the first sentence was, "Do you know that great apes never get cancer?" But the worst food for us, which make us sick in different ways, especially cancer and diabetes, and almost all metabolic disease, is sugar in all its form, carbohydrate. This is why we should favor the ketogenic diet. So yes, I eat keto, and you will find lots of video of the subject, especially from our friend and research partner Berg. My friend Fred Evrard, another cancer survivor, and I eat keto, but with one important difference. We don't eat 75% of fat. The video of the inhibition of the SCOT enzyme OXCT1 by Berg explains this study in an accessible way for all. Fred and I have each written a book to tell and explain our healing. We have decided to write a new book together, which also talk about our discoveries and our post-cancer experience. Therefore, complementary to our previous book. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.